Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here at businesswithtrading.com doing a trading strategy recap for Wednesday the 12th of August. And today was a fun day. Today we had one trade and pulled 4 3/4 points out of the market. Price did gap down pretty well, chopped around basically the entire day, and then around noontime started to actually move up pretty well. So what we did today is we kind of just watched everything. Price came up, came down, came up. Well, as it came down, we decided to get long. So we got long right in here. So we didn't take that much heat, and then price went in our favor. So it was very, very nice. We ended up taking profit right up here, and then price did chop around a little bit, move a little higher, come back down. And we did talk about this being a possible support region, and then price just took off. So very, very nice. Our trade, 4.75 points on one trade. Pretty good all in all. I believe in less is more. And everything can be pinpointed. Your trading strategy can be simplified a lot. Just like in math and algebra, stuff like that, where you simplify equations, your trading plan should be the same way, where it shouldn't be very complex. It should be very simple looking. That doesn't mean it's easy to implement. That doesn't mean that trading becomes easy. It just means that your trading plan should be at its most simple form, in its most simple form. That way, it's very easy to implement. You can say, okay, if A plus B, then C is going to happen. Or if it's A plus C, then maybe E happens. Insert variable for whatever. But that's what your trading plan should call for. That way, when you get to the screen, when you start trading, it's actually easy. And, I mean simple. It's actually simple. Easy and simple are very different, but very similar at the same time. Easy is like, I've been driving a car for, almost 20 years, and I get in, and I do everything routinely. I don't even think about it. I put my keys in ignition, I turn on the car. My feet go where they're supposed to go. I'm resting my left leg while my right leg hits the gas after I put the car in gear. And it goes. I don't think about it. And that's how your trading plan should be. You should know it so granularly that you just put it into motion. You're just like, okay, trading day, and you're doing it. Just like if you've had a job for, over 10 years, the same place, you just go in and you do it. It's just routine. Or, whatever you do. Maybe you do date night once a week, like on Thursday or Sunday or something. So every week, at that specific time, that's what you're doing. And you just do it. You just do it. Or church every Sunday morning. You just do it. And that's how your trading plan should be. So that way you get in and it just goes. It just flows. And, that's what I like to do. And taking that less is more approach, we only make a couple trades a day. Like today we made one trade. Yesterday we made 2. I take on average about 2 to 3 trades. Yeah, of course, sometimes we do less than that, like today we did 1, and sometimes we do more than that. But that's the area I like to stay in, about 2 to 3 trades. That's, I guess you could call it comfort zone, for lack of a better word. And that's what we look for. So we took this one trade, we were able to make money. Market chopped around, came down. I did talk about this being support in the analysis. If it took out this area, it was going to go much higher, and that's what it did. if I pull out the chart, it went quite a bit higher, which is very interesting. And that's what we do. When we close the room, we talk about a little synopsis of what we did. We talk about what I'm looking at going forward. And, obviously sometimes I have a little more clarification on that than other times. It is what it is. But that's how we like to do things. So that way it gets us more prepared for tomorrow. It's like, okay, this is what I'm looking for. We'll see if it happens. Okay. This happened or that happened. The AB or maybe ABC approach. I'm looking for this or that. Today it was pretty much clear cut. I'm looking for this, but if the opposite happens, then this is what I'm looking for. It was one of those types of deals. But that is the way I like to trade, and that's the way I go over with coaching clients and course members, and taking that approach, because the more simple you can make your trading, the better your life is going to be, because you're not going to go crazy every day. Oh, the market's doing this. Why is it doing that? I don't know. I'm not in the trade. And then things just go haywire, and that's not good. It's never good. I was there once. When I first got into trading, I was horrible at it, and that's what I used to do. The market would start moving. I'm like, oh no, the market's moving. I gotta be in. I don't know where to get in. I'm just gonna get in here. And that's a horrible trading strategy. But it is what it is. We learn from our mistakes. That's one of the great things about being human. So, anyway, hopefully you got something out of my rant today. It made sense to you. You can always leave comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.